Hello guys, it's been a while and I thought, you know what better way to get me into making YouTube videos again, though I've never been consistent, than, just talking about my current favorites, what I'm currently loving right now and cannot get enough of. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's get right into it. First thing I want to talk about is skincare. There's two, so that's for Lyzmarie. Okay, there is two specific brands I want to talk about. The first being, and I was introduced from my Petit Vour box, is Zabana Essentials. And you guys, I've tried I think a good bit from their brand, their line, and I just gotta say, I love it. I love it. The first thing I was ever introduced to was their Tomato Calendula Healing and Anti-Blemish Face Balm, which is a little like sample size you get in a Petit Vour box. But I've used this a good bit. And it's everything from this line just smells good and natural and like it's good for you. And the ingredients, you know what's going on your skin. So, they are so kind. Zabana Essentials was so kind as to send me not only their banana colloidal oatmeal hydrating and rejuvenating face mask and scrub, which I tried this before also from Petit Vour. But it's such a creamy scrub and face mask, and it just leaves your face so hydrated. I'm a little all over the place, it's okay. But they also sent me their glow bombs in the color Bear, which is more like a highlighting shade on me. And it's like a nice light yellow golden color. I don't know if that focused at all, but I love using this on the high points of my face. They also sent me their glow bomb in bronze, which I also loved. I just use this on the perimeters of my face as like a normal bronzer. Focus. But it has like a sheen to it, so you just look glowy all over. And you would think it would be like when you touch it, it'd be like too moe and it wouldn't stay in place, but they do. I've tested them. And I've worn them under makeup, and it wears beautiful under makeup, guys. It's a creamy product. I love it. And then since I love them so much, I went ahead and bought their Dahlia color, which I have not used quite yet. It's fresh, but it just looks so beautiful online, and I just wanted it so badly. So yeah, Zabana Essentials. Oh wait, I also have one more product that I want to talk about. They have the rose petal healing rejuvenating face balm. It's just like the Tamanu one, but this one is made with rose, and it smells just as delicious as the other one. It's like an overpowering like fragrance rose scent. It smells more like the actual petals, like roses, the actual flower. It's beautiful. If you need hydration, your skin needs an extra boost, try Zabana Essentials, guys. Love it. Another brand that I've been loving is the BambuEarth Intense Hydration Cactus Concentrate. I got sent this as well, and you guys, love it also. Both of these brands are just like, they're natural, organic, cruelty free, and I just love it. But this one is more like a gel consistency balm to oil kind of moisturizer, and it's perfect. Like, it reminded me of the May Lindstrom one that I have tried samples of in the past, but that one didn't work for me at all. This one sinks right in, and I wake up with my skin feeling beautiful and hydrated, and it's just perfect. It smells delicious also. I am so happy that I found this brand on Instagram and they reached out to me, and I'm just like so excited to try more of their stuff. I'm like waiting to just like put in an order because I'm like specifically looking at their face oil, their serum. I forgot what it's called, but I definitely want it. Another thing that I have been loving, and I have always been loving because they have yet to disappoint me. Ignore that. Something just fell. is my Petit Four box. And this month's box, the May box, I'm so excited for it. I'm just gonna unbox it on camera because it is one of my favorites that I'm currently loving and always loving, like I already said. But one of the items is a foot cream, which came just in time because my feet are dry and they need, I'm sorry if that's TMI, but they need some tender love and care. And hopefully this, I think it's Libido inspired by nature, Thera intensive foot cream. Hopefully this will work wonders on, I don't know if I have the lights too bright. Focus. I don't know if it's focused, but hopefully, you know, this will help hydrate my feet and help get rid of the dry skin. We have a Be Kind Exfoliate Visage. That's his French, right? It's a face scrub, guys, for sensitive skin. It's like a little sample size. And I'm always excited because skincare is like one of my favorite things in the whole world besides makeup and Petit Four. I'm also excited to get, I've always wanted to try things from Tinted, and they included a sample size of the Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen. I have been eyeing this moisturizing sunscreen forever. Like I've been looking for like a tinted moisturizer or BB cream kind of thing, but with some block SPF, and it's like I wear it on like a daily basis and I don't want to wear like, you know, makeup. I am so excited for this. And you guys, the most I'm most excited about camera talk. I am so excited. They included something from Osea Malibu, like their atmosphere protection cream. I have been wanting to try this for so long, guys, so long. And I'm so happy this got included. And it's for dry, normal, and combination skin types. So you guys, I'll get back to you guys on this because I am so excited to try this. I've been wanting to try you for so long, and I'm so happy that you're in my grasp. I don't know about you, but if you have Petit Four, this whole year has been like the most exciting boxes for me, and I'm just like, I can't get enough. Not get enough. I love it. 3 more items, and these are makeup products that I talk about. A lipstick that I have gone back to is my Anastasia Beverly Hills, like their matte lipsticks in the shade Peachy. This color, guys, was my favorite when I first got it, and I got it when it first like launched, and I've been wearing this shade again non-stop. Daily basis, this is like my kind of nude. Peachy nude is my go-to, and I love it. Another thing that I am loving that I wasn't expecting to love is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, guys. And let me tell you, I was not expecting to like it, because no matter how many times I got samples from Sephora to try like the actual foundation, it left my face looking way too dry. So I was scared, but I was also very much intrigued, so I bought it. Shouldn't have, but I bought it. But guys, this sits so nice under my under eyes. I mean, I have fine lines, so I'm always gonna have those there, and I don't care. Like, I'm not gonna have the smoothest under eyes, but this does not sit like weird or make my eyes look overly dry or anything whatsoever. The only thing I would have a problem with is that I got the same shade that I matched myself to in the foundation, which is 150. I feel like it's slightly a little too pale. Like I'm not into the whole highlighted look, so I might have to go shade up in this next time, but I've been loving that. Works beautifully on my under eyes. And lastly, I got a travel size of the Peach Mist from Too Faced. I'm not a fan of the strong scent. No. But it fades, it doesn't last, so I'm fine with that. But I love the longevity this gives my makeup. I have been using it for the past couple weeks, and boy oh boy, it makes my makeup stay on my face without melting off in this Florida heat, and I love it. Just as I've said about everything else in this video. I love it. So guys, alright, that's it. And that was everything. just a quick little video for y'all, just to get me back into emotional things. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also definitely leave me some recommendations in the comments down below. I appreciate it. Alright, bye. Love you guys.